What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Do not mind my dry ass nose. I'm freaking sick, bro. I blame David and Hugo. It went from David being sick after Coachella, then giving it to Hugo, and now Hugo giving it to me, and now I'm sick, bro. And you guys know me, I'm always freaking sick, so it sucks. My nose is all dry. I look ugly. I look crusty. I need a haircut. All the above. But we just made it here to 412. Gotta check out what these guys are doing today. I don't even know who's here, but literally just pulled up randomly. But thank you guys for watching another vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to the channel. We are almost at 200,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Thank you guys so much for that. And also like the video before we even get into this video, because it's gonna be lit. If you guys haven't watched the last videos, go watch them. They're all lit. Yesterday's video was super lit. When we went on that big supercar cruise, it was a 30-minute vlog. If you guys have not watched that vlog, go watch it right now. I'll leave a link right here. That vlog was lit. You guys do not want to miss that vlog. It's a whole ass movie, bro. 30 minutes long. But yeah, we're here at 412. Sam definitely took a little beating this weekend. I think they went drifting. They didn't invite me. Where's my invite at, Joseph and Sam? Damn, the GTR looks so good. Look at that. I'm in love with the black, guys. Like, it just looks so clean. I do not think I'm gonna wrap it anytime soon. Like I said in the last vlog, I was actually supposed to drop it off to get wrapped like 2 days ago. It was supposed to be a secret, but I didn't even get it dropped off because I could not decide on a color. It was between satin black or like a bright and nose tech color, which I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm really leaning toward the satin black. What the? I don't know. I don't know what I just caught on camera. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Look at these G80s, guys. It's crazy because literally somebody, part of the vlogs that you guys see in my vlogs a lot of the times, he hasn't been in a vlog in a while, but he actually got a new car. And he actually got a new G80. I'm not gonna tell you who got it, but we'll probably show it in the vlog soon. But it's literally that same color too. Damn, these things are crazy, bro. Look, red interior, orange interior, and they both got buckets. And then the satin white one in there, the purple one up there. There's G80s everywhere. I love that grill. That shit's sick. This is the interior I want though, the red. Sheesh. But yeah, guys, somebody that is in my vlogs got a G80. Comment down below, who do you guys think got a G80? Not me, sadly. Look at Super, guys. What a coincidence of who we're about to meet up with right now. So earlier I told you guys that somebody got a new car, one of the homies. We're actually gonna go meet up with them right now. We were gonna do this another day, but he was like, let's just shoot today. So we're gonna shoot today in LA. I brought my big camera with me and we're gonna take some pictures of his car. Kind of like the reveal photos because he has no pictures to post. So we're gonna take pictures right now, then I'm gonna pull my computer out, edit the picture right now so we can post it right now too. All within 1 hour probably. And we're also gonna reveal the car to you guys because I'm super excited to see it myself and I'm excited to show you guys. It's so sick and I'm so jealous, bro. And it's a perfect spec, bro. Like literally everything that I want in my next car. But look, we're in downtown LA. There's all the buildings. We're about to go to the spot up here. I've taken my GTR before where you can see all the buildings behind. I think it's gonna be sick. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Who remembers when he came here in the GTR? Long time ago. My car was red actually at that time. I'm so jealous. There's no way, bro. Look who it is, guys. Gustavo? BK2? How are you? Good. Bro, this is crazy. Look at this, guys. Gustavo got one. No more Supra. This dude got red interior, bro, with the bucket seats. That shit is clean, dude. M3. Well, this shit is crazy. Do you like it?
So far.
Is it better than Supra or no?
Yeah, but it's just not as fast yet. But,
but this shit's gonna be way faster probably. Bro, it's so clean. It's like the gray, maybe like Fresh Kicks paint. I don't know. It has like the gold in it in the sun, but there's no sun right now. Is it the same one that Kicks has?
Yeah, same color.
My boy swagged out, bro. Sheesh.
Finally. It's been too long.
I know you guys haven't seen Gustavo in so long, but me neither. He literally hasn't been driving at all.
I know. Supra was down.
I know. No more Supra though. Supra's gone. Where is the Supra?
CarMax.
Someone go buy a Supra. You got a G80. It was between a GTR, G80. What else did you want to get?
The MK4.
A Mark IV Supra? But that's like old. This shit is brand new, huh?
I think this is it.
This shit is sick, dude. Look at this. Yeah, that color is hard. Some vlogs? I can see Gustavo doing some
All
V-Lux.
4 V-Lux.
Bro, and he has the carbon seats. I told you guys, you have to get the carbon seats in these cars.
You have to, bro.
Like, I don't even want one if it has the regular seats. Literally, bro, it makes it look so basic. This makes it look like, kind of like a supercar. I don't know. It looks crazy. Anyways, we're about to take some pictures. And like I said, we're gonna edit the pictures right now and post them. Look at the view, bro. That shit's sick. I think Jay's coming in his G80. And I'm gonna be the... It probably is, bro. He has an exhaust leak. And that shit sounds like a truck, bro. Watch. All the G80s. Yeah, now I'm really gonna have to get one, huh?
Where's yours at, bro?
What? I'm not allowed?
Nah, you're not allowed. You don't tell them. You gotta kick rock. And boys.
Bro, it's just clean. Look, these are also red interior, but...
Why should it be?
My boy got the truck exhaust.
That's a truck.
The fool got an exhaust leak, bro. Oh, he took the wrap off. You haven't seen him, huh?
Yeah, that's what I was like, is it him?
Yeah, why are you guys all swagged out?
How are you not swagged out, bro?
I don't know, I'm just wearing this. Another homie added a G80 to the crew, bro. Look at that. That's just sick on.
Fuck yeah.
The carbon seats.
I know, I like that.
Look at that. That's like gold flakes. So sick, dude. I would not wrap it, I think. I would keep this color if I was him. It's like a charcoal gray, but it has that gold flake. This shit even smells new.
It feels slow though. It smells good. Bro, what I'm used to, this is slow, bro.
It's probably slower than a super, but...
Yeah, but it moves out though for sure. Like,
but these cars are crazy. You literally can tune it and downpipe.
Like the response that they have, bro, is just crazy. Like they hit right away. Fuck yeah.
And you can tune it and downpipe and it's gonna be fast as fuck. You keep up with the super, right? Maybe?
I don't know.
He's still sad over
I don't know what
his
you
Supra.
gotta do to be at that level 750. Oh, but that car was light, so.
I just don't want to get rid of this, guys. Huh?
I'd be like, where's your G?
Everyone's gonna be roasting me in these comments now, bro. Now another one of my friends has one. Oh my god, now everyone's gonna roast me. We're here with this old ass GTR from 2015. I'm joking. The GTR is still sick. It's still my dream car. That's why I haven't sold it yet. I mean, think about it, guys. I've been wanting a GTR since I was little, bro. So it's hard to get rid of it and just sell it, you know? I worked my ass off for that car and I was so happy to buy my dream car. So that's why it's hard to sell it. Ideally, I'm trying to keep the GTR and get a G80 or an F80, but G80 obviously is more expensive. F80 is more doable to keep both cars. I know I could do it though. It's kind of like when I first got my GTR, I was scared to do it, but I feel like this goes for you guys too. If you guys want to cop something like that, that's maybe out of your budget too, it's kind of scary to do it, but I think once you do it, it's gonna make yourself like, it's gonna make you want to grind to get that done and accomplish it. And the YouTuber that actually convinced me to get my GTR, it's pretty funny. I never told anyone the story, but it's Tall Guy Car Reviews. I know, the most random person on YouTube. I don't even think he makes vlogs anymore, but he had a vlog that he talked about his Hellcat. When he got his Hellcat, he wasn't making good money. He said he was making like $2 grand a month. And his Hellcat payment was like almost $2 grand a month, I think, or something crazy. It was like Hellcat Red Eye that he got. He was super scared to do it, but he's like, you know what? I know my work ethic is gonna make me be able to afford this car, you know? Like, so he's like, I'm gonna get the car, and no matter what, I'm gonna make it happen, you know? Now that I have the loan, I have to pay for it. It's either it gets repoed or it doesn't. So he knew that he had to work his ass off to make that payment. So I think that's like a good way to do it. I don't know, it's kind of sketchy. It's a risk, but you gotta take risk, you know? And that's what I did when I got my GTR. I was super scared to do it, but I just pulled the trigger and I did it, and look, it paid off and I got it, and I'm chilling now. Everything just fell into place, and now you just make another goal and you get another car. I was getting motivational for a little bit. Are you ready? Let's do it.
You need it.
Anyways, like I said, just set a goal and do it, guys. Don't be scared. I need to take my own advice, huh? I need to just go get a G80 and stop being scared. That shit sounds crazy with the exhaust leak. That shit sounds nasty, huh? It's like a Tacoma, bro. That shit just lifted?
My boy.
I told Jay, is it because it's on the slope or what? But he said, no, that's just how they are.
That stock monster truck fitment, bro.
It's too lifted on.
It's so lifted, I had to change that shit so quick. I know, bro.
No way a random Supra just appeared.
Fuck,
With the PQ sticker too.
My before and after.
I know your before and after right here. Oh my god. The old and new Gustavo. Oh, god damn. Oh my god, we're gonna cause a freaking. Yours is way louder.
Yeah, I think that's a louder.
Yes, bro. Did Gustavo upgrade or downgrade? I think it's an upgrade. I like it. I already know Gustavo's gonna go crazy with it. Did you see everything he did to his Supra, guys? As always, I'll put the pictures on the screen right here. Alright guys, we literally edited those pictures in the car right now. I should have showed you, but we edited the pictures. We actually ran into a bunch of supporters, huh? Yeah. A bunch of people came out and said they watched my videos right here. I did not know a lot of you guys did. I know, we were just taking pictures here. But now we're about to go to a second location now. I didn't take a single picture of my car. Can you believe that? It's so sad. Poor GTR. Alright guys, we made it to the second spot with the new LA bridge. Look, there's already cars here shooting.
I'm fucking starving, bro.
I'm sick, bro.
You're not sick, you're fine.
I'm sick. Dude, I've never been here. This is underneath the new bridge. We can go on top too, take pictures. I don't know. What if this homie just jumps in your car?
Cry.
Imagine.
Shoot him.
I want to race the G80 stock, see how it goes with the GTR. That should all-wheel drive too. Alright, now we made it to downtown LA, guys. In the city. We just shot photos up top. Now we're taking pictures down here. You guys know this bridge or this tunnel. I've been here plenty of times in the vlog. My boy up there was tweaking, huh?
Bro, he was on one, no cap. Like, where you from? Where you from? He's like, I'm from HP. You from HP? I'm from HP too. Bro, I was talking to himself. I was like, come on, boy. Behind the scenes. Bro!
Alright, guys. Well, we're out. That was a cool little photo shoot. Super random. I'm so jealous of Gustavo. This shit's so clean, bro. The color, the interior, everything about it is so sick.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga